Hey guys, it's a brand new vlog. Hey guys, what's going on everybody? Hey, so guys, today we're going to be doing a part two of finding whatever I find in my house. But I tried my best, to get in my mind what I should and I shouldn't use. So I think I know what I'm doing. I don't know yet. So I'm gonna try a new technique. Instead of putting a lot of baking soda, I'm going to be putting a little bit, because my friend just went over it and said, that's why it didn't work well. It was a fail. I said, seriously? And she's like, yeah. So we're going to grab a mini cup. We're going to try this, how she explained it to me. So let's grab a tiny spoon, because she said you might want to need a small spoon. Let me fill this up with warm water. Oh, this is annoying. Let's let that get hot while we just get our spoonful. Okay, let's go see if it's hot now. Okay, bad this, I don't care. If it's not warm, not my fault. No! Some fell. Okay, so we just dissolved that. Actually, guys, I think we're gonna make the slime in here. So let's go get our ingredients. So I have 3 types. I have just clear glue, all 3 clear glues, but I have one that was technically the one that we used last time. It's here right now. Let's try to I'm wearing all the ingredients that I left in my room, because I'm like, oh, let's do this in my room like last time. But today I'm doing it in the kitchen. Ow, my foot! I have a foot. Are you going to destroy it? No. These are one of the 2 ones. This one's in here. Ooh. That's good. Enough. Let's add a little bit of the clear, full one. I actually want this to work, but I'm not going to add glitter yet. I'm not going to add any food coloring yet. Okay, so we have our glue in here. I'm only going to make a little bit, because what's the point of wasting glue? Like, you could always go buy them for like $1.99 or something like that. My question is, what's the point of just wasting the glue? Like, this better work. I'm seriously telling you, this better work. Because last time, made a whole video trying to make this thing work for you guys, the part 1, and it didn't work at all. So part 1 has to be better than part 2. Part 2 has to be better than part 1. If this doesn't work, I agree on part 1, because on part 1 we at least did better than here. Okay. So I'm keep adding water because it's actually working, guys. It's actually working. But I just hope it doesn't turn hard. And no, it's working. But the real question is, when you stretch it, will it be hard? That's my question right there. That's my question, because if it will, I'm gonna make a whole batch of slime. And if I have to, I will go buy more glue. Because this is another thing. You actually made it. But wasting it and not wasting it, but like it not working, that's another thing. By the way, I have a bunch of containers like this, like with a cap and all stuff like that. So I have a bunch of containers to cover my beautiful slime. Guys, it's actually coming like slime, but it's a little bit sticky. But I'll be right back. Just go check it. It's actually coming slime, but it's a little bit sticky, so I'm gonna add a little bit of activator. I'm not adding a lot. I'm adding like little tiny spoons because I don't want to ruin it. And even if I ruin it, I can do it all over again because it actually works. OMG! It actually worked, guys. It's just a little bit sticky. If yours comes up sticky like this, you can add more water. But I just can't believe it worked. Part 2 was a success. Every time I say success. Yes, I believe. I don't know how. That's like a tongue twister to me right there. I have some glue on my hand from all this stickiness. Just for that, I'm gonna add just a little bit more. Just because I don't want it to be like too sticky, but I want it to be just right. I don't want it to be too sticky. I don't want it to be too hard. But I want it to be like a nice, just right slime I just made. I am so proud of myself. So just for that, I'm gonna grab a nice container. We'll color code all of them last. Just for that, I'm making a lot. Sorry. I'm addicted. Look at this, guys. Oh. Yeah, it's not sticky anymore. OMG, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy it actually worked. Because the other one, completely, it didn't even go together. It didn't even stretch like this. Right when I try to stretch it, it would break right away and it wouldn't even do this. Oh my gosh. Number 1, done. And next, it's a success. Yes, I said the word correctly. I wasn't trying to say the word in like a way that it's offensive, but I think I say the word in a very bad way. I think I do. And guys, make sure you subscribe. If you're new to the channel, my name is Ayana. Subscribe, like, and comment. And let's do our handshake. Boom, 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 boom. Hey! Guys, I'm so happy. It worked. You should see how happy I am. I know how to make it. Because the thing is, I've never made slime with baking soda in my life. That's why number 1 was a fail. Wow, that's why, oh, my friend is texting Valerie. That's why number 1 was a disaster. It was like a fail right there. That's why, because I never made slime with baking soda. And I actually worked this time. I've actually, honest to God, I've never made slime with baking soda. This is technically my first time. Making a big one this time. Sorry. But let's hope it works. I'm sorry. Because the small one worked. little bit. This is like start activating it. I just told my friend that I'm so happy. Finally, this works. And my hair today is all curls. So pretty. It's so pretty. Guys, but when you see it coming like slime, just let me give you a tip. Don't touch it just yet, because and then it sticks all onto your hand, because it doesn't, just because it looks like it's coming to slime, you haven't touched it yet, have you? It will stick onto your hand. I tried that, like when I did the small one, it sticked onto my hand. I got so mad, like literally so mad. And I'm doing it right now because some just came out and I'm so mad that it's on my hand. It's on my hand. And I'm not liking it. Let's put on some more. I'm so happy. I'm simply so happy. I've always made that only an eye contact solution, but other than that, I've never made it with any other product. Not even Tide. And even if I've never made it with Tide, I'm still gonna make my mom buy Tide. I'm gonna like come up with an excuse. I'm gonna say, oh, but Tide is so good for you. Like for your clothes. Because my mom doesn't really buy Tide. And then like 5 minutes later, it'll be in my room hidden. Like until I'm done with it. I'll put food coloring with it. Actually no, just throw it away in the other dumpster. Because we have 4 dumpsters. Because she only puts away she technically makes me put away the trash. So she will technically never even notice. Because you want to know why? Because I am the one in the house who technically throws out the trash for everyone. So she won't even notice. So what's the point? The sad part is I'm going to be tricking her. But it's kind of happy for me and for you guys because I'm making slime with it. Okay, let's get this activated because I want to decorate the slime. I don't want to keep here all day trying to make it. I'm happy that the slime actually worked. But it's too sticky. That's the part that's the hardest part when you're making slime. You have to try your best to get it on the roll. Like literally. You really have to try your best to get it. This is actually working. Coming like professional. Not professional. I wouldn't say I'm professional, but like professional like as of right now. With a baking soda, with me. I'm actually coming professional at this. Baking soda slime, making slime thing. Only with me. I'm pretty sure others are better than me at making baking soda slime, but I just got myself some slime. Just add a little bit more of this. You don't want to add too much baking soda. And you don't want to add a little. You know what I mean? You want to add like Goldilocks. You want to add like the perfect amount. But as of right now, I'm mixing with my hands. You're probably asking, why though? Let's see how this is. It actually, sincerely works. friend's making me slime. I'm so happy when I have so much time because I don't know how to make slime with baking soda. So every time I don't have the ingredients that you would normally use for slime, I'm like, oh, I don't have time, or I don't have, you know what I mean? I got myself 2 boxes of baking soda. I got myself 100 containers of slime. I'm alright. If this doesn't work for you, then I think it's because you did something wrong, because this legitimately works for me. Like right here, right now, it's working. Some people say that your slime may be perfect, but when you like stretch it so fast, it breaks. So I like stretch my slime as nice as slow as I can. Oh, geez, girl, you just made yourself some slime. I didn't make fluffy slime because I didn't know if this was really gonna work. So I'm not gonna make fluffy slime because what if this doesn't work? So let's just make clear slime, normal slime, and see if it works first. If it works, which I literally was praying to God, please work. I don't want this to be like a fail like my other video, because my other video was a fail. And then when you set it down for like a whole minute, it legitimately, sorry, I suck at that saying that word. It literally turns into like the perfect slime you could ever ask God for. No offense, God. Sorry. It's like a fart slime. Wait, I'll just do something. Hello, Walmart, Target, whatever. You could call me and pay me $100,000 because I know how to make fart slime. Did you know that? Let me get another container. No dirt, guys. I'm gonna make more. No dirt. No dirt. I'm gonna have a lot of slime because my friend